In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide a project from a user in Jira by adjusting the project permission settings. Ensuring the right users have access to the appropriate projects is crucial for maintaining the integrity and confidentiality of your work. This step-by-step guide will help you manage permissions efficiently and keep your Jira environment secure. First, go ahead and click on the settings icon located at the top right corner of your Jira dashboard. This is where you'll find the various configuration options. From the settings menu, you'll need to select issues, then navigate to issue attributes, and finally, permission schemes. The permission schemes are essential because they control who can access which features and projects within your Jira account. Once you've arrived at the permission schemes section, it's important to identify the specific permission scheme that is associated with the project you want to hide. You might have several schemes, especially if you're managing multiple projects, so take your time to ensure you're working with the correct one. After identifying the right permission scheme, the next step is to click on Permissions, which you'll find on the right hand side. Here you'll see a detailed breakdown of all permissions associated with that scheme. Within the permission scheme settings, search for the Browse Projects permission. This specific permission allows users to see and access the project. It's crucial because by modifying this, you can control who has visibility of the project. Once you locate the Browse Projects permission, click Update on the right hand side. This will allow you to make the necessary adjustments. You can tailor the permissions to include only specific groups or users. Carefully review the list to ensure that any users who should not have access to the project are excluded. This step is pivotal in hiding the project from those particular individuals. Finally, once you have adjusted the permissions to suit your needs, click Update again to save your changes. It's always good practice to double check to ensure everything is set up correctly. Remember, adjusting permissions requires careful consideration as it directly impacts who can see and interact with your Jira projects. And that's it. By the end of this process, you will have successfully hidden a project from a specific user, enhancing your team's operational security and ensuring that only the relevant team members have the access they need. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you manage your Jira projects more efficiently. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful tips and tricks.